Good morning students. Look here. Today we are going to learn one question related with our 17th topic. Complete the paragraph with phrasal verbs. Okay? We have to complete the paragraph with phrasal verbs from the box. Okay? Here are some phrasal verbs. Okay? In the box. Are you getting that? Okay. Now remember tense and the position of pronouns or nouns. Okay? While we are completing this paragraph, that time we have to remember tenses. It is very important. We have to remember tenses. According to tense, we have to fill that phrasal verbs. Okay? Look here. The first one phrasal verbs: get up. Second one switch off. Then switch on. Then arrive at. Then get into. And then drive off. And then point out, then take off, then put on, then leave out, okay, and then wake up and sit down. The first one is used. Look here in first example, last Saturday. It is one paragraph related with traveling, okay, traveling. Look here, last Saturday, comma, Ima. Ima is the main character, okay. It is one person or one girl, okay. Ima woke up. Look here, wake up, we use here according to tense, past tense, okay, simple past tense. Ima woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. We have to use here the correct phrasal verbs according to tense, according to its meaning, okay. Now the second line, she usually sleeps until 8 o'clock, but she was excited because it was the first day of the holidays. Why she was excited? Because it was the first day of the holidays. I don't know, holidays means the vacation like that, okay. Next, she dash quickly and packed her suitcase, okay. She got up quickly, okay. According to tense, we use here first form phrasal verb get up. According to tense, we wrote here, we can write here got up, okay. Got up. Are you getting that? Okay. She got up quickly and packed her suitcase, okay. It is the phrasal verb, correct phrase. Now look, she packed her swimsuits and t-shirts, but dash her jumpers and coat because they were going to the beach. Okay, according to sentence meaning, look here, this leave out these phrasal verbs we use here. So according to tense we use here left out. Okay, left out her jumpers and coat because they were going to the beach. An hour later, her mom and the rest of the family, okay, get into, okay. These phrasal verbs we have to use here, and according to tense we use here got into the taxi, okay. The family got into the taxi and the taxi drove off, okay. Drive. Look here, that phrasal verbs we have to write here, okay. Drove off. It is the second form of the verb, okay. The taxi drove off. Full stop. They soon arrived. Okay, look here. Arrive at. We have to write here the past form of that and according to tense meaning. Okay, arrive, and we have arrived at the airport. According to tense meaning, we use here arrived at. Okay, inside the airport it was very warm. Okay, so Ima and family we use here. Okay. Put on, okay, this phrasal verb here, put on their jacket, put on their jackets, okay. Ima started to laugh because her little sister dash her sunglasses and sun hat in the airport lounge, okay. According to the sentence, we have to use here take off, okay. Her sister took off. Took off. her sunglasses and sun hat in the airport lounge. Okay, where the people can sit or wait for the plane. That is called lounge. Okay. Soon they boarded or board. Okay, the aeroplane, and the air stewards told everyone to sit down. Sit down. Okay, according to tense meaning, we use here the phrasal verb, that is sit down. When everyone was in their seats, the captain switched on. Switch on. Okay, the captain switch on the conditioning. Okay, air conditioning, and the passengers all. Okay, switched off. Okay, switched on and switched off. According to tense meaning, we have to write here. Switched off their mobile phones. Are you getting that? Okay, the air conditioning and the passengers all switched off their mobile phones. Now, Ima and her mother looked out of the window, and the Ima's mother pointing out, okay, or pointed out the scenery down below. In this way, you have to complete this paragraph with the help of phrasal verb. Okay, the remaining part of these lessons we will see in next video.